Hi, we're back trackside. A number of years ago, I visited the Gold Coast Railway Museum, and a gentleman playing conductor in the coach indicated a line that I have to agree with, and that is that people generally have a preference either for steam or diesel, and sometimes even the period of each. Well, I guess I'm guilty. I've been showing just about all of the American Fire steam locomotives that they had made. Today we'll look at perhaps some of their locomotives. These are generally first generation stuff. These are examples in front of us are of their Jeep general purpose unit, which in those days, well, they weren't a lot of horsepower, so they had to lash them up and multiple unit them. But of course, like all railways, they still had to have some switcher units. And here's an example of one of their Baldwin diesels. And I guess we'll use it to put a layout together, train going. Now, if you haven't noticed, this is a string of reefers, and that just tells you that, gee, maybe unit trains aren't so new, because railways did used to have exclusively, well, they would run trains that were exclusively perhaps coal cars and tank cars. So we have to consider that these spine car trains are just an extension of what was restarted before. Sometimes when we're messing with our trains, it's the smallest of things that give us the greatest amount of pleasure. And for myself, it's just making these silly cattails. It just seems to make it all come together for me. But you can do whatever works for you. Thank you for watching, and if you like what you've seen, please hit that subscribe button.